side, the button test we also got. So we're gonna actually, mind if you do that, please? Press the button.
There it goes. All right.
This one's really
That's
loud.
a good one.
So this one does take. So this one does take a while. I have one last detector. It is the hallway detector.
All right.
Oh, sorry, my light's off. Alright, for this detector, this one's also a detect, but this one's a 10-year
Okay.
model. And we'll actually display out this detector.
Okay, that should be good.
Should be good.
There we go. All right, here. You hold this for a sec.
Alright.
All right.
Sometimes it won't hush, you know?
Perfect.
Alright, here, hold this, please.
Get it back on.
Next one's the, button test.
Okay. There you go.
Yep, that works. And since it's the AC operation, it was recently installed on July 6th.
Oh, perfect. It's brand new.
It's also brand new. We actually got it from Home Depot since our last one.
All right. Okay, so this concludes the test for September.
This is for the September test for 1.5 test because this was at the end of August, so
So the next test will be beginning of October.
the next test will be beginning of October, which will be testing our fire alarms like this.
All right. Nice work.
Thanks, and have a good day.